let's do the index analysis for tomorrow. A very good evening, everybody. So, as I said yesterday, market actually took the path just like it opened here and it fell, and it didn't go up to this CPR, but it broke that particular day CPR, but it did not even go to the VAH. But I traded the setup which I have actually decided. So there are two things. You always speculate in the market. Okay, this is speculation. I speculated yesterday that market will form this thing, but my bias was on the call. See, if I would have entered here, I might have lost the trade in this manipulation or coming back of the candles, the opposition. Okay, but I might have won in this thing because my speculation was right. This is trading the speculation. Majority of the times here, psychologically, our speculation has changed by the operator. He did not make sure that he goes straight up. He wanted to eat the buyers by creating a conflicting idea from, and then he wanted to go up. But I took, let's say I traded directly this setup because of the tool that I use. But if someone might have entered looking at my speculation, I was always telling there might be a very good retest on a higher time frame. If you look at it like 15 minutes or something, this is just one candle, so there definitely will be a coming back of the retest. Okay, I will always wait. I will always never believe in the big candles. My theory is not to believe in these bigger candles, single big candles. I want the follow-up to be very strong. Let's say I may believe in these small candles, small green candles, because the volume is slowly accumulated. This is called a mature trend. This term is coined by Sir Ashwin Gujral in his one of the master classes on his book, where he says, believe in the maturing trend, not in trend like this. Trends like this will fall like this, but a mature trend will always be true. This is a mature trend. Okay, I will believe more in the mature trend because it follows a proper price action. Forgetting about all that, you might have failed here, because always remember the structure of you might call it smart money concepts or something like that. The basic psychology. If the buying is happening here, if it is so easy that I can capture always, it will never happen like that, because easy things never happen in the market. When the buying is made like this, it will definitely come back to eat these buyer stop losses completely, and then these seller stop losses are taken, and then this particular place where the mid of this whole journey is unbroken. Okay, this place is where you can understand the position of the operator to be here. From then the momentum happens like this. So to look after all this, you need a lot of experience. You need to be looking at the charts always, all the time. Okay, so it takes a lot of time for you to understand how the market operates. So it went up, it has eaten all the buyers, and it went up, it tried to eat all the sellers, but the sellers might be fine. If it is going up, this leg might not be so up. It might eat all just this late sellers. Okay, it might eat, and then it won't be able to break the low it has made. What does it mean? Someone has been protecting their levels exactly at this level. There might be, so this level might be the base for the day. So that's how you see price action in a very simple manner. Okay, so I don't want to go deep into it. We'll talk later in the coming sessions or somewhere we connect together in the community. Now let's go forward to analyze what may happen tomorrow. Okay, so according to the past, I have two particular dates. I want to go and check with what happened like today. Okay, those two dates are the 10th September. Okay, I just want to go and see what happened on the 10th September of 2024. So how do I find out these things? Because I kept on tracking a lot of charts, a lot of dates in the history. So I just know that, so this indicates a kind of the day that has happened in the past. A low has been made, but the low has not been broken, but it went up like this, but it did not touch the VH. On this particular, the market again went into a double distribution mode, where the shape of the market is exactly like it forms a smaller W, and then it goes like this. This is a smaller shape that I may see in the market. I will tell you how to understand this particular thing and how to trade this bias. Okay, I'll tell you. So forgetting about this, another I am just checking the dates which exactly follow my past strategy based on that my past chart. Okay, so I just want to see, this is another possibility on that particular day. The VH is not broken. This is the kind of the day where the base is broken. So this is also exactly not like us, but there is a possibility of this might be satisfying our condition. So 26th of September is a day like that, but the market closed above that particular day CPR. But this CPR breaking is not available. So I believe these two dates are not so accurately representing the trading system which we are seeing actually. So because of the CPR, non-existence of the CPR here of that particular day before. Okay, now what I want to see is what happened here. The market opened huge gap up on the opening candle. If it did not break, market may give a move upside like this. Okay, these are the two things I observed. Right now let's see what may happen. Okay, so what may happen today, so how I can think of the trading setup, because I only have two dates which have this kind of setup. Okay, so now if I have to trade, let's say if the market is trying to move up from here, I will consider just 1 second. Yeah, so this 1 second. I have lost the drawings I've drawn. Okay, I just don't want to miss this. So drawings which I lost. Yeah, got it. So now this is the drawings that I do every day for analyzing the CPR and VH of tomorrow. So I'll see what might happen. See, a sudden news might come, things might change that I don't have in hands. Like I just want to see, and I just want to speculate and see if it matches my vision and trade only based on a smaller setup which I believe in. Like yesterday I said, this is the setup I believe in. Market may go up. In this I traded from here to here. That's it. I exited somewhere here. That is enough for me because I don't want to be right all the time. And very importantly, market opened in the day before, like yesterday's range only. So that does mean that unless there are a lot of resistances, the huge up move is not possible. In the upside move, I will trade with very smaller lots. So I just want to make a little money out of it. So I'm not greedy to make sure I enter with huge lots and lose when the market opens in the range. Okay, so that indicates market is not going to trend like mad. Now, other than that, let me see what may happen. Tomorrow. Okay, let's see what I'm expecting according to the 2 days. So there might be a possibility if market opens with a red candle here, market may fall back, and if it did not break this thing, if it is not going to break this thing, market may move up and come back here like this. So this is one possibility. During this tenure it may break this thing. This is one possibility of a good small gap up. Okay, now there is another possibility where market opens huge gap up. Market opens huge gap up with a wonderful candle and it breaks this thing. It might come back and not break this thing, and it may go up like this. So these are the two possibilities that I see in the market currently. So other than this, how I will trade, because of the past data unavailability, I don't want to speculate more on what may happen, because I feel this is a good base which has been made. If this base is not broken, I can see market directly going to this particular level called 56,857.3. So this is what I believe in. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So as I told you, to trade today I have used one particular setup which has helped me, which is my tool, which is available for people who want to get subscribed to. So the tool looks simple like this. So I'll show you how the tool looks like, so that you don't have to analyze or speculate or know too much more about it. It's very simple, very simple tool where the market session began. There is an index, there is a bias, there is bias. At the moment the strike price bias comes on particular candle and bias has been made, and for almost like 10 to 15 candles of 2 minutes, like to 20 minutes of time, there is no bias and a very good volume candle has formed. This is the wonderful trade you can trade on this 246 points until the index view changes. To know more about this tool, to know more about the clutter and the clearance about this tool, you can actually see the video there. So today is not a trendy day, so you cannot see this big move. Here you can see the index move ending here. Index move has been ending here. So that once the trend is made, and clearly until this index change does not happen, you can happily trend this particular day. I have already explained about this in the other videos, where you can have this tool as a monthly subscription, which is available, and demo is also available. You can do text me on WhatsApp community to get the tool for a week to see to it like how it works in the live market, and you can have the subscription after 1 week if you like the tool. Thank you so much and have a good day.